That's go install free life-saving equipment to families that need them.
First, teach residents how to live.
Not for coming out and all of the members of Rockford Fire Department, we give them a huge. So you didn't install smoke alarms today. You saved lives, and we're so incredibly grateful for every single one of you that went on today and our governor-elect in the state of Illinois, J.D.
That may be the more important thing to be part of it. To the fire department here, to the chief, and to your staff, you guys do amazing.